Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have prepared 5 fall-inspired salad recipes. They are very easy to make, super delicious, and I think the best part is that they're very customizable. You can add some ingredients to it or you can leave out some of the ingredients that I will show you if you don't like them. So let me show you how I make them. First, you're going to need 2 cups of artisan lettuce or any other kind of lettuce. Then add 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, 1/2 cup of roasted butternut squash, half of sliced pear, 2 slices of turkey bacon, crumbled, and optional you can add some feta cheese or gorgonzola cheese. And for dressing you can add 1/4 cup of aged balsamic vinegar. We're starting with 2 cups of chopped kale, adding 1/2 cup of roasted broccoli, as well as 1/4 cup of roasted butternut squash, 1/4 cup of brown rice, 1/4 cup of chopped chicken breast or turkey breast, 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds. For a crunch, you can add 1/2 cup of cauliflower, and optional, you can add some shredded asiago cheese. And for dressing, you can add 1/4 cup of Asian toasted sesame dressing. For this recipe, you are going to use 2 cups of chopped kale, half a cup of cooked quinoa, one chopped green onion, half of sliced gala apple, 1/4 cup of dried cranberries, 1/4 cup of toasted almonds, add some sea salt or kosher salt, and for a dressing add 1/4 cup of apple cider dressing. Recipe for it you will find in a description box down below. Starting with 2 cups of baby spinach, adding 1/2 cup of cooked quinoa, quarter cup of feta cheese, quarter cup of dried cranberries, quarter cup of chopped walnuts or pecans, and half of sliced gala apple. For dressing, used 1/4 cup of poppy seed dressing. You're going to need 1 cup of any cooked pasta drizzled with your favorite dressing. I'm using poppy seed dressing. 1 cup of chopped spinach, 1/4 cup of chopped celery, give it a good stir, then add 1/4 cup of feta cheese or goat cheese, as well as 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans, 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. Mix it all again and enjoy. I'm going to have all these recipes for you down in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, leave me a comment down below. What are your favorite fall salads? And if you make any of these that I showed you, please snap a picture and post it down below, or post it on any social media and tag me on it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!